Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 12. Find A if A is between 0 and 90 degree. First part, and 2 cos square A minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, cos square A is equals to half. Cos A equal to 1 upon root 2. We know cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. Therefore, A equal to 45 degree. Second part, sin 3a minus 1 equal to 0 implies sin 3a equal to 1. We know sin 90 equal to 1. Therefore, 3a equal to 90 degree, a equal to 30 degree. Third part, 4 sin square a minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, sin square a equal to 3 upon 4. Sin a equal to root 3 upon 2. We know sin 60 equal to root 3 upon 2. Therefore, a equal to 60 degree. Fourth part, cos square a minus cos a equal to 0. Cos a is common, so cos a into cos a minus 1 equal to 0. Either cos a is 0 or cos a minus 1 equal to 0 implies cos a equal to 1. Cos 90 equal to 0 or cos 0 equal to 1. Therefore, a equal to 90 degree or a equal to 0 degree. Fifth part, 2 cos square a plus cos a minus 1 equal to 0. This cos a we can write it as 2 cos a minus cos a. So 2 cos square a plus 2 cos a minus 1 equal to 0. In these two terms, 2 cos a is common, remains cos a plus 1. In this two term, minus 1 is common, into cos a plus 1. In these two terms, cos a plus 1 is common, remains into 2 cos a minus 1 equal to 0. Either cos a equal to half or cos a equal to minus 1. We know cos 60 degree equal to half. We also know there is no value of a between 0 and 90 degree whose cos is minus 1. Hence, cos a is equal to 60 degree. Sum number 13. If a is between 0 and 90 degree, find a. First part, cos a upon 1 minus sin a plus cos a upon 1 plus sin a equal to 4. LCM of the denominator in the left hand side is sin a minus 1 into sin a plus 1. Therefore, this term multiply and divide by sin a plus 1. This term multiply and divide by sin a 1 minus sin a. And then open the bracket. Cos into 1 cos a into sin a plus cos a into 1 cos a minus sin a cos a upon sin square a 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Okay. Plus cos a sin a minus cos a sin a cancel each other equal to 2 cos a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square equal to 4. Okay, 1 minus sin square is cos square a. So 2 cos a upon cos square a equal to 4. Implies cos a get cancelled. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 1 upon cos a equal to 2. Okay, cross multiply, cos a equal to half. We know cos 60 is equal to half. Hence, a equal to 60 degree. Second part, sin a upon sec a minus 1 plus sin a upon sec a plus 1 equal to 2. LCM of the denominator is sec a minus 1 into sec a plus 1. Multiply and divide this term by sec a plus 1. Multiply and divide this term by sec a minus 1 and then open the bracket. Sin a into sec a plus 1 into sin a plus sin a into sec a minus sin a. Plus sin a minus sin a cancel each other. 2 sin a sec a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Sec square a minus 1 equal to 2. 2 cancel each other. Sec square a minus 1 is 10 square a. So sin a upon sec a is 1 upon cos. So sin a upon cos a is tan a. So tan a upon 10 square a is 1 upon 10 tan a. 1 upon 10 is sin upon cos when you write in the numerator, cos A upon sin A equal to 1. Cos A upon sin A is cot A equal to 1. We know cot 45 degree equal to 1, hence A equal to 45 degree. Sum number 14. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A is equal to tan A. Left hand side is equals to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into sec square A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 upon cos A minus cos A into sec square A. LCM of this two term is sin A, so multiply and divide by sin A. We get 1 minus sin square A upon sin A into same way here 1 minus cos square A upon cos A into sec square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A into sec square A. Here sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. So cos square A and cos square A cancel each other. Sin 1 sin A cancel each other. Remains sin A upon cos A equal to tan A equal to right hand side. Sum number 15. Prove the identity sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. Left hand side is equal to sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Therefore, LCM of the denominator is sin theta into cos theta. This term multiply and divide by sin theta. This term multiply and divide by cos theta. We get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta into sin theta plus cos theta. This is 1. So sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Therefore, when you split sin theta upon sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cancel each other. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta plus cos theta cancel each other. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta equal to sec theta plus cosec theta equal to right hand side. Sum number 16. Evaluate without using trigonometric tables. Sin square 28 plus sin square 62 plus tan square 38 minus cot square 52 plus 1 upon 4 sec square 30. Sin square 62 we can write it as sin 90 minus 28 the whole square. Cot square 52 we can write it as cot 90 minus 38 the whole square. Okay. Equal to sin square 28 plus sin 90 minus 28 the whole square plus tan square 38 minus cot square 90 minus 38 the whole square plus 1 upon 4 sec square 30. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So square cos square 28. Cot 90 minus theta tan theta. So tan square 38 equal to sin square 28 plus cos square 28 plus tan square 38 minus tan square 38 plus 1 upon 4 sec square 30. Sin square 28 plus cos square 28 1, tan square 38 minus tan square 38 0 plus 1 upon 4 sec is 1 upon cos. So 1 upon cos, so or sec 30 is 2 upon root 3, sec square 30 2 upon root 3 the whole square. So 4 upon 3, 4 cancel each other, so 1 upon 3. So 1 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3.